Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace Support. So, in your Google search bar, head over and go to admin.google.com. And from here, you will be prompted to sign in with an administrator account. So once you're logged into your admin account, you should be able to see a question mark button found at the top right corner of your screen. So just click on it and that will trigger a new window that opens the contact support page. And from here, all you have to do is describe the issue or the problem that you need help with and try to communicate and answer the questions so they can help you resolve your problem. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!